There comes a moment in your 20s when life feels safe, predictable, comfortable. Your days start blending together. Same routine, same habits, same choices. And though nothing is wrong, something inside you whispers, "Is this really who I'm meant to become?" You see, comfort is soft. Comfort is warm. Comfort feels good in the moment, but it has a quiet cost. And here's the truth nobody tells you. Comfort is the silent killer of potential in your 20s. Not because comfort is bad, but because it convinces you that you have more time than you do. It keeps you still when life is asking you to grow. It keeps you quiet when success requires you to speak. It keeps you stagnant when your future is asking for courage. Today we're going to explore the deep truth behind this and how escaping comfort may be the greatest decision you ever make. Let's begin. 1. Comfort, the invisible trap of your 20s. Most people imagine failure is something dramatic, a mistake, a collapse, a crash. But in your 20s, failure is much quieter. It looks like repeating the same year over and over again. It looks like staying where you are because leaving feels uncomfortable. It looks like protecting your ego instead of building your skills. It looks like choosing the easy option instead of the growth option. Comfort convinces you that later is safer, but later is how dreams quietly die. Your 20s are not meant to be a decade of ease. They are meant to be a decade of exploration, risk, learning, mistakes, reinvention, and growth. Comfort is not the enemy, but when it becomes your default, your life stops expanding. Success doesn't disappear overnight. It fades slowly, one comfortable choice at a time.
2. Why your 20s demand discomfort. There is something unique about your 20s. Your responsibilities are lighter. Your recovery time is faster. Your identity is still flexible. Your opportunities are still wide open. This decade is your greatest chance to experiment, to build skills, to take risks, to fail forward, to try paths that might not work. Because later in life, the cost of discomfort grows. But right now, discomfort is your greatest advantage. It's the teacher that shapes you. It's the fire that strengthens you. It's the discomfort that forces you to grow into someone you didn't even know you could become. If comfort keeps you who you are, discomfort turns you into who you could be. 3. The psychology of staying comfortable. Let's go deeper. Why do so many people stay in their comfort zone? 3 reasons. 1. Comfort feels familiar and the brain craves safety. Your brain is wired to avoid risk. It wants repetition, predictability, familiarity. To the brain, comfort feels like survival, even when it's limiting your potential. 2. Discomfort threatens your identity. Trying something new means confronting uncertainty. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What will people think? So instead, people stay where they feel competent, even if it means never growing. 3. Comfort provides instant reward. The hard path gives you long-term returns, but the comfortable path gives you relief right now. And most people choose relief over responsibility. But here's the deeper truth. Comfort feels good today. Growth feels good for a lifetime. 4. The hidden cost of staying comfortable. Comfort is dangerous not because it's wrong, but because it removes urgency. And without urgency, you stop growing, you stop learning, you stop dreaming, you stop taking action. Comfort steals your hunger. You weren't born to be comfortable. You were born to evolve, to expand, to express your gifts, to build a life that reflects the greatness within you. But that greatness cannot grow in comfort. It grows in challenge. It grows in discipline. It grows in uncertainty. It grows in courage. If you're too comfortable in your 20s, it's not a sign of success. It's a sign you've stopped stretching. 5.
The breakthrough. Learning to lean into discomfort. Here's the shift that changes everything. Discomfort is not a signal to retreat. It's a signal to pay attention. Discomfort means you're stepping into new territory. It means you're expanding your capacity. It means you're doing something your future self will thank you for. You don't need to chase suffering. You just need to stop running from challenge. Success asks for discomfort. Growth requires discomfort. A meaningful life demands discomfort. Your 20s will challenge you, not to destroy you, but to build the strength you'll need for the rest of your life. 6. Practical strategies. How to break free from comfort. Let's turn wisdom into action. Here are practical strategies you can use today to step beyond comfort and into growth. 1. Do one uncomfortable thing every day. Send the message, ask the question, apply for the job, say yes to the opportunity. Small daily discomfort creates massive long-term growth. 2. Choose growth over ego. Your ego wants to look good. Your future self wants to be good. Choose the second one. 3. Audit your routines. If your daily habits feel too easy, they're not helping you grow. Growth hides in challenge, not repetition. 4. Set goals that stretch you. Not goals you know you can hit, goals that force you to evolve into someone who can hit them. 5. Surround yourself with ambitious people. Comfort becomes easier when everyone around you is comfortable. Growth becomes normal when everyone around you is growing. Choose your environment with intention. 6. Treat fear as a compass. Fear doesn't always mean danger. Often it means direction. If something scares you because it matters, lean toward it. Remind yourself, your 20s shape your trajectory, not your final destination, but your momentum. Choose the path that builds the strongest version of you.
7. A gentle truth for your heart. If comfort has become your home, if you've stopped challenging yourself, if you feel stuck in the sameness of your days, it doesn't mean you've failed. It doesn't mean you're behind. It simply means you're human. And it means your next chapter is calling. Your 20s are not meant to be perfect. They're meant to be powerful, messy, transformative, alive. And the door to that transformation opens the moment you step outside comfort and into possibility. Your future self is waiting, stronger, wiser, more capable, more confident, more fulfilled. But you don't meet that version of yourself by staying where you are. You meet them by stepping into who you are meant to become. 8. Your life begins beyond comfort. Comfort is easy. Comfort is safe. Comfort feels good, but only for a moment. Greatness? That lasts. And it begins the moment you choose growth over ease, discipline over distraction, courage over comfort. Your 20s are your launching pad, the decade where you build the foundation for the life you dream of. Don't waste this chapter avoiding the discomfort that was meant to create your strength. Walk toward your future. Walk toward your potential. Walk toward the version of yourself who is waiting to be born. The world needs the person you will become, but only if you are willing to leave comfort behind. If this message stirred something inside you, don't leave without subscribing. Join a community that refuses to settle for comfort. Together, let's grow into the people we're meant to become.